Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to verify your TikTok account. So if you also want to verify your TikTok account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the profile section of TikTok. Simply launch open your TikTok application and tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. You can see over here, I'm already in my profile. Before proceeding to the verification, you must keep in mind that the requirements of TikTok verification is that your account should be authentic, active, unique, and notable. If you do not meet the requirements, you'll not be able to verify your account. Now, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner. You can see over here, this kind of options will pop up. At last, you'll be able to see the option for settings and privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your account meets the requirement, you'll be able to see the verification option over here. If your account does not meet the requirements, you'll not be able to see the verification option. You can see over here, verification option is not available for me, but I will guide you what you have to do. When you see the verification option, all you have to do is tap on it, and then you'll have to provide some personal informations, and also you'll have to provide the document for verification of your identity, and then you'll also have to answer the question for notability. After that, you'll have to wait for TikTok to verify your account. That way, you'll be able to verify your account. If your account meets the requirement but still verification option is not available for you, what you have to do is go back, tap on the three lines at the top right corner again. Now you can see four options over here. This time you'll have to tap on the option Business Suite. You'll be led to this kind of interface. At last, you can see the option for Need Help. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here. Tap on the first option, that is account types. You can see several account types over here. At third, you'll be able to see the option for blue verification badge account. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the question over here, what is a verified badge? All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read these informations very carefully. At bottom, you'll be able to see the question, is your problem resolved? You can see two options over here, yes and no. Tap on the option no. Need more help will appear now. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now tap on the message box that you can see at the bottom. Now type in your problem. Now tap on the send option that you can see right over here. Then TikTok help desk will provide you a solution. All you have to do is follow their prompts. So that is how you verify your TikTok account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.